Hi everyone, this is Jake Jones, and I'm just going to present a speech today about the history of the electric guitar. So, as the Journal of Popular Culture says, the electric guitar is one of the instruments that has forever shaped music for almost a century. This instrument has driven music into the modern age and has become an American icon. Obviously, the history of the development of the electric guitar is a very crucial part to the development of music, especially music in America over the past 100 years. According to Kreiser, nifty electromagnetics propelled the guitar from the orchestra rhythm section to center stage and forever changed popular music. As an avid guitar player for the past 11 years, I believe that I am qualified to speak to you about this subject and the concepts I'm going to go over about the history of the electric guitar. First, the changes in shape. Second, the changes in the function of music, where the guitar is involved musically and how that style has changed over the past 100 years. And then third, I'm going to talk about the gear. That includes amps, effects pedals, and processing units. So first, we're going to talk about the shape of the electric guitar. Since its inception, the electric guitar has changed its shape drastically. So right now I'm going to show you examples of that, just picture-wise. So, it started out as a pan guitar. We're just going to show you right here. This was the pan. It went from pan to hollow body, semi-hollow body, and then we got into styles like the Telecaster. Right over here we have the Stratocaster. Both those are made by Fender. In the middle there, you can see the Les Paul, and then you get into Ibanez and all other sorts of styles. So, those are a few different body styles for the electric guitar. One of the other crucial changes that's occurred is how the neck is placed onto the body. First, we have the set neck, which is where the neck is glued onto the body. Second is neck through, where they take a piece of wood and they shape the guitar out of that one piece of wood. And then third is the bolt-on neck. That neck is where you take the body of the guitar, you place the neck on the body of the guitar, and you hold it together with a bolting system. Second, now we're going to talk about the functions of guitar in music. We have in the 20s, right up around till the 50s, it was a very clean tone, used to accent the melody or just give overall rhythm to the song. From about the 50s, the emergence of rock and roll, up through the 70s, it was the main driving factor in music, accompanied with the piano. The electric guitar took prominence, just giving that style of music its general feel through the uses of overdrive and just general guitar fun. Then we have, in the 80s and the 90s, we have more distorted tones. That's where you get sounds like Van Halen, Guns N' Roses, Metallica, etc. And then after that, in the 21st century, we have the guitar taking its shape. It's kind of rolled back, and it's taken the shape of almost what happened from the 20s to the 50s, where it just accents the rhythm and also assists the melody or harmony going on within the song. Third, now we're going to talk about the gear. First, we're going to start you guys off with amplifiers. So, here are just some pictures of guitar amplifiers. These amplifiers are tube amplifiers. We have right here, all these, we have Fender, Vox, Marshall. These amps are what amps were originally. They were powered by tubes to amplify the sound of the guitar coming off of the electronic pickup on the body located between the neck and the bridge. So they were powered by tubes. Now, from about the 80s on, we have solid-state amplifiers, which the sound is powered and goes through a circuit board instead of a tube system. This is more quote-unquote computerized, according to Vox. And personally, I would like to say that I like tube amps just because they're warmer and they just seem overall to produce a fuller sound. It's just how it is. Then we have effects pedals right here. We have your wahs, your delays, then we have your choruses, etc. Those come, so you have your guitar, then you have your effects pedal system, and then your amp. So the effects pedal system is what you hear in between the guitar and the amp. Those produce, like I said, delays, which is an echo effect. U2 uses this a lot. We have choruses, additional overdrives, and even reverbs. Then we have rack systems, which are very similar to the effects pedals. That's just instead of pedals on the ground, it's a rack system that'll give you that reverb, that chorus, that echo delay effect. Finally, in conclusion, the electric guitar is an important piece of musical history. Its advances in shape, musical function, and gear have aided the prominence of music and American culture. The electric guitar has been a driving influence in the advancement of music over the past 100 years. Its shape, its function, and its gear have and will still have an extreme effect on music in the present and the future. Hope you guys learned just a little bit about the history and the evolution of the electric guitar. Thank you.